इतने यंग आप हुए जा रहे हैं फिल्म बाय फिल्म.
Clean eating, I exercise, I weight train for about at least 5 hours a week. I try and get about 3 hours of walking in a week, so that's it. My sleep is a problem for me because I kind of watch it. I have this big TV in my room which I want to get rid of. मैंने कहा कि हाँ मैं वापस आया हूँ, मुझे काम चाहिए, मुझे अगर आपके जहन में कुछ हो मेरे लिए तो प्लीज़ मुझे ध्यान में रखिए. तुरंत उन्होंने मुझे एक स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ़र किया, एक कहानी ऑफ़र की और वो आपके सामने है विस्फोट.
First of all, I think he's an amazing person. He's so well spoken. He has so much knowledge about so many other things, not just about films and about parties and about what's happening here and there. He doesn't care too much about that.
पड़ोस की आंटी में होती है बहुत सारी खोट. मेरे साथ है दिस कास्ट ऑफ विस्फोट. मैं हूँ सियादी. वेलकमिंग यू टू फिल्मी मंत्रा. फर्स्टली इतने यंग आप हुए जा रहे हैं फिल्म बाय फिल्म. ओ माय गॉड. इवन मेरे जो दोस्त हैं जर्नलिस्ट, ही वाज आल्सो सेइंग कि भाई साहब आई एम पम्प्ड अप नाउ कि मैं जिम जाऊंगा, खुद को और जवान दिखाऊंगा. क्या खा रहे हैं आप? इज इट कुकी?
Not cookie for sure.
क्या खा रहा हूँ मैं? I think you got to thank my makeup team and my stylist Alim and well, I try and get some decent sleep and eat well. So
Give yourself some
क्या
credit,
नहीं खाया?
please.
Exactly.
You've lost a lot of weight.
Yeah.
You've gone for it. Your
Workout,
Inspire a lot of
workout,
people
diet.
sitting there. What is your way of
Routine.
clean eating, I exercise, I weight train for about at least 5 hours a week. I try and get about 3 hours of walking in a week. So that's it. My sleep is a problem for me because I kind of watch it. I have this big TV in my room which I want to get rid of. So, you know, if I can get my sleep sorted, I'd probably look younger.
But I guess that's there, no? We all sleep while watching something. I've
Yeah.
started
Yeah.
sleeping
Now you
while
can't
watching
sleep.
food recipes.
Yeah, you can't sleep without scrolling.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't.
But what do you eat? Like, what's your 2 a.m. meal?
I don't
Visfot
eat in the night. I
You
don't
don't?
eat in the night. So I can control. I have great control over food. But when I can eat, in my eating window, I eat everything possible. So my eating window is 8 hours, and you will see me eating chips and everything.
अरे लवली. जिस विस्फोटक अंदाज से आपने विस्फोट लोग जो हैं लॉन्च किए हैं, है ना, डायरेक्शन के साथ साथ, आई वांट नो कितने विस्फोटक ये तीनों भी रहे हैं इस तमाम में ना प्रोसेस में. वाज इट फरदीन ऑलवेज यू नो चार्ज्ड अप विद द एनर्जी? कैसा माहौल था एंड ऑल दैट?
माहौल
विस्फोटक ही था.
बहुत विस्फोटक था, लेकिन बहुत इमोशनल और ड्रामेटिक. पिक्चर
साथ
इज वेरी वेरी हाई ऑन ड्रामा. तो सारे चार्ज्ड अप थे बिकॉज आई थिंक सर काफ़ी रो रहे थे पूरी पिक्चर में. सो दे वर बट वेरी वेरी इमोशनल एंड वेरी वेरी एनर्जेटिक. फरदीन का एनर्जी तो आई थिंक स्टार्टेड 4 months बिफोर ही केम ऑन सेट.
ओह,
Yeah.
तो वो तो ही वाज सो चार्ज्ड अप and
I was very nervous also.
yeah, but it worked for the character because the character in this film is very, very vulnerable. तो वो एक vulnerability आ गई naturally शायद. But for 4 months he had a coach, he had this, we used to do reading sessions and he used to coordinate himself, no manager, nothing. What time are you coming? You come here at this time, do this, do that, everything. So he was fully charged up, gave us a lot of energy, gave me a lot of energy. And of course, Ritesh and Priya, we shot that separately. They had scenes on their own, a lot of dramatic scenes, car driving, chasing, all over, you know. So I think that they all had to bring their A game. Really, the script demanded it, and they did actually. They brought A+.
so where are you shooting out at Wadala or Lokhandwala? या दोनों जगहों पे कभी कभी?
We shot in Dongri.
Okay.
We shot in Dongri on location. So you know, इस पिक्चर में authenticity, you know, we wanted to show Bombay for what it is. तो authenticity बहुत ही अहम aspect है, dynamic है इस पिक्चर का. You know, the characters, या तो कहानी, या तो emotions, you know, everything is very true and real. So even mostly it was on location. You know, there were no sets. You know, there was not a single set in this movie. So you know, even the जब हम डोगरी में काम कर रहे थे, I think it was pre-monsoon or post-monsoon.
Just
Post monsoon.
post.
It was hot, it was humid, no ACs, none of that. So it really added, it really made you feel like you were there. So it was a great experience. It was a great experience.
लवली प्रिया, आप दिखती भी हैं विस्फोटक, है ना? आप भी कैसा? बट साथ साथ कितनी प्रियता के साथ आपने कैरेक्टर को सुलझाया, फिर काम किया, और इट टेक क्या 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 कुछ किया अपने साथ?
प्रियता के साथ, लाइक ओह माय गॉड, इतना प्यार से मुझे लगता है ये बहुत चैलेंजिंग होता है फॉर एवरी एक्टर टू गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी डिफरेंट एंड येट ब्रिंग दैट थोड़ा आप में से जो कुछ है अपनी खुद की एक एस्पेक्ट उस कैरेक्टर में लाने के लिए. Tara for me was, I wouldn't say it was like extraordinarily challenging, but it was very difficult to understand her emotional graph, her emotional journey, because she's हर घर की औरत है, but she has some expectations from a relationship, and when that is not fulfilled, then what you do and what you are left with. So I think that figuring out her emotional journey was the most challenging part for me. और उसमें प्रियता नहीं थी. I just tried to be absolutely non-judgmental and understand where she is coming from. So
She just makes it look easy. She's done a marvelous job. It's a very tough role.
बट फरदीन, साथ साथ आपने तो अलग अलग जॉनर्स कर ही लिए हैं. हीरा मंडी, देन खेल खेल में, है ना, एंड देन अब ये एक्शन. क्या कैसे सिलेक्ट करें आप स्क्रिप्ट्स, बताएं मुझे.
प्लान नहीं था. ये मेरी खुशनसीबी है कि मुझे ऐसे मौके मिले.
अरे वाह.
एंड विस्फोट मेरी पहली पिक्चर थी जो मैंने साइन किया था अपने रिटर्न पे. और जब मैं लोगों से मिलने गया था, और मैं सबसे पहले जिन लोगों के साथ मैंने काम किया था उनसे मिला, और मैंने कहा कि हाँ, मैं वापस आया हूँ, मुझे काम चाहिए. मुझे अगर आपके जहन में कुछ हो मेरे लिए तो प्लीज़ मुझे ध्यान में रखिए. एंड जब मैं संजय से मिलने गया, उन्होंने मेरे साथ कुछ 5-10 मिनट बातचीत की, और तुरंत उन्होंने मुझे एक स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ़र किया, एक कहानी ऑफ़र की, और वो आपके सामने है, विस्फोट. और मैं I was very surprised. I was of course very happy. लेकिन जो रोल उन्होंने मेरे लिए सोचा था, I was not expecting that. एक डोंगरी का लड़का, who's born and brought up there, जिनका एक criminal past है. तो I had some, of course, एक 12 साल का gap था. I had my own reservations. And Cookie also had the same reaction कि आपने कहीं गलत casting तो नहीं की है. Ritesh in this role and me in that role, maybe that. No, but it was Sanjay's conviction that he wanted to typecast us, which has really worked well. It was a big challenge for me, and something even Ritesh hasn't done before, or he might have done before, but not with this depth. And so seeing us both do something different and something that's very true to life and credible. So all the emotions in this are very credible. There's a lot of authenticity. Or a gritty drama hai. It's very real life, and it really shines a light on the contrasts of the worlds in Bombay. People come from, you have millionaires and you have, people in the lower socio-economic strata. So, and when those two worlds collide, and Cookie's done an amazing job of capturing that world. And it's a very complex movie to make because there's so much happening all at once.
Yeah, but I love meeting you every time. Like I guess we're meeting the third time. अभी बहुत continuously we are doing a lot of interviews. तो करते रहिए आप ऐसे. महीने में 2 बार मिलेंगे हम, मज़ा आएगा हमें भी, है ना. बट साथ साथ कितनी मेहनत लगी आपके कैरेक्टर के लिए? प्लीज़ इलेबोरेट मी विद योर कैरेक्टर थोड़ा बहुत, so that I also understand what all you're playing. Are you a nice girl or you're a vamp? What are you doing? You're fighting or what?
I'm a really nice, sweet girl who's, working hard, trying to make a living, falls in love or has been in love with this criminal from the past. He's trying to improve himself, be a better person, and eventually, Lucky, my character, has to decide between supporting the man she loves or doing the right thing, and she goes along with love, and then there are a series of events that happen, and I feel like this character is actually, you have to watch it for me to say anything, because anything I say will give out too much, and I don't want to do that. So it's a very interesting character. It's a very lovely character, and a very human character who sometimes makes choices out of emotions and not out of, you know, practicality or anything else. It's just thinking from the heart and like we all do, something like that.
At the same time, working with Fardeen is always fun, right? Of course, he's wonderful actor. We have seen. मैं तो बड़ा ही हुआ हूँ खैर बहुत young हूँ मैं है ना I just still go and play his songs and dance on them. So what 3 things you have taken from his style of acting or maybe the kind of person he is?
First of all, I think he's an amazing person. He's so well spoken. He has so much knowledge about so many other things, not just about films and about parties and about what's happening here and there. He doesn't care too much about that. He has too much of, you know, grounding in him. So I think that's number 1. Number 2, I think he's really hardworking. The way he prepped for this film months prior, I think, I remember he used to call and say, Chris, should we do readings? And, you know, he would just line it all up with the instructors, dialect instructor, with Sir, and all of us used to sit, do these readings back to back. So I think the dedication is something I'll take from him. And the third is just the ease that he brings, even after being who he is very lovely to deal with, you know, because you have this preconceived notion, ki, you know, ye stars honge, they will, you know, they'll do this, they'll treat you like this, they'll whatever. And then when you go on set, it's so easy, it's so lovely to meet people that are actually good humans. So I think these are the things I'll take out of this man.
Thank you, Crystal. It's most kind.
He's also a good listener.
Yes, he is.
He's like, okay.
He is.
बहुत अच्छे आराम से अपना आंसर सुनते हैं. डायलेक्ट की बात हुई तो कोई ऐसे शब्द जो हम आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे और जो दिमाग में बैठने वाले हैं, which you learned during this process. Quick and then I'm ending up.
It was very simple. मतलब इस character आम भाषा में बात बोलता है. So I mean, it was more sounding from Dongri. He's not a Tapori kind of a character, but he just had to sound and look that he belonged in that world. And that's what whoever has seen the picture, मैं बस यही सवाल करता हूँ कि आप convinced थे कि मैं वहाँ से हूँ, and that's all I asked. I don't want to know anything else.
My favorite word, can I say?
Yeah.
Rada.
राड़ा हो गया.
Rada हो गया.
राड़ा हो गया, मान्या.
With that note, यहाँ पे भी राड़ा हो जाएगा. विस्फोट हो जाएगा अगर मैंने इंटरव्यू खत्म नहीं किया. So I want your messages to people, of course. They are dying to see all of you. है ना, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ फरदीन तो फिल्में भी जवान करते जा रहे हैं, कैरेक्टर्स भी, और खुद तो हो ही रहे हैं वो. ये मैसेजेस आप जनता को दे दीजिए, विशेष जियो सिनेमा पे देखने के लिए.
Guys, our film Visfot is releasing on 6th of September. That is tomorrow.
Yeah.
So please don't miss it. It's going to be a Visfotic experience.
On Jio Cinema.
On Geno
On
Geo Cinema.
They should know where they have to go.
Oh
and
yes,
watch the
please
film.
watch it on Geo Cinema Premium.
somebody's going to theater में where is this? Thank you so much for
Thank
watching
you.
us on Filmymantra. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.